How to transfer funds between Binance wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to transfer funds between your Binance wallet. So in order to do this procedure, you have to first of all make sure that your account is already verified, and then go ahead and log into your Binance account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the wallets button, and this is how it's gonna look like. On this page, you could either go and select fiat and spot, or you could just go ahead and select spot. And when you have located that, you could go ahead and select the fund that you wish to transfer. I'm gonna go with BNB, and here you could go ahead and select the way of doing it, so or select the spot. And when you've done that, you could click on start trading. After that, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and enter in all of these information, such as the amount that you're transferring and all that, wallet address, to select from wallet as spot, and to wallet, which means to which wallet you're transferring, select future. So when you've done that, you'll have successfully transferred funds between Binance wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.